Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we are going to learn how to use the graphical method to solve a pair of simultaneous linear equations. So the equations that we are going to solve are x minus y equals to -5 and 4x plus y equals to 0. In order to draw the graphs for these two equations, I would first need to get a table of values. And for the table of values, I can choose any x value. But in this case, I have chosen -2, 0, and 1 for both the equations. In order to calculate the y values, I would need to substitute in the chosen x values to calculate y. So if x is equal to -2, I can substitute that into the equation and I would be able to solve and find that -y equals to -3, so therefore y must be equal to 3. Right, so if I continue and I substitute x to be equal to 0, I will get 0 minus y equals to -5, so y equals to -5, so therefore y must be 5. Let's continue with x is equal to 1. So I have 1 minus y equals to -5. So I have y equals to -5 minus 1. So y equals to -6. So therefore y equals to 6. Alright, let's move on to the next equation. The next equation we have x to be equal to -2. So I have 4 times of -2 plus y equals to 0. So -8 plus y equals to 0. So y must be 8. Right, when x is equal to 0, we can see quite clearly that y has to be 0 because 0 plus y equals to 0. So the only value possible for y would be 0. So let's write that down. And finally, when x is equal to 1, right, and I substitute in, I will have 4 times 1 plus y equals to 0. So this is 4 plus y equals to 0. So y must be -4. So once I am able to get the table of values correctly filled in, I would be able to plot the points on the axis and join them into a straight line. So let's plot the points for the first equation. So we have -2 and 3, which is right over here. We have 0 and 5. And finally, we have 1 and 6. So with these 3 points, I will draw with my ruler a straight line across all 3 points. Right, and after I do that, I should label my graph. Right, x minus y equals to -5. Next, we will move on to plot the points for the second equation. -2 and 8 is right over here. 0, 0 is at the origin. And 1, -4 is right over here. So after I plot the 3 points, again, I should use my ruler and draw a straight line through the 3 points. And once I do that, I should proceed to label the equation, right, which in this case is 4x plus y equals to 0. So by looking at the 2 graphs that I have drawn, I can see that the point of intersection is right over here, and it is at the point when x is equal to -1 and y is equal to 4. So therefore, I should write my answer as x equals to -1 and y equals to 4. So that's how you solve a pair of simultaneous linear equations using the graphical method.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.